Hi, welcome to the down market view for Tuesday, the 7th of October 2014. Starting off with the 5-minute charts, we can see from the green vertical line and the red vertical line there the whole of the trading session. An interesting one, and we started off with, just open the bar spacing a bit for you. We started off with a potential buy signal after the market had traded sideways in the pre-market session. Prices moving higher up to the resistance there, the natural resistance, which you can see there at 17,100. You can see the market struggling in this area, and then an opposing signal coming into the market and prices moving lower there. So let me just mark up the opposing signal, and you can see there the entry is more or less where the stop loss was for the buy signal there. So that's a losing trade, unfortunately, because of that psychological resistance there at 17,100 there, stopping the market. We see prices reversing, but fortunately get a sell signal to make up the loss. You can see the market trading down there to the 20-point scalp, and then rallying back towards the entry price there. So the maximum on this trade, again, notice where the market trades down to. I'll just put on the data window there for you. You see the market trading down to the 1,000, I'll start again, 17,050 support there. So the market finding support in this area, offering around 26 points in the low of this bar at the psychological level. And this is something that I've spoken about quite a bit now in the down market view, is how this market actually loves these psychological levels. So you can see the market then trading back up to the entry price and then driving through, and then eventually working its way back down, all the way down to the next psychological level, which is down at 16,050. And of course we've got one in between as well. We've got the 17,000, which is in this area here, which of course is the previous day's low, the previous day's close. So we've got Friday's close here, 17,000, and you can see the market having to drive through the 17,000 area before the market again attempts to come back to the 17,000, and then we see another sell signal and the market giving another 20 points there as well, before the market again finds support, and guess what, comes back through the psychological level there of 16,950. So the market once again coming back through. We then see a sell signal, another sell signal there, which fails. Let me just draw that one in for you. So you can see the market stopping there, and then of course immediately after we get the buy signal. So the market stopping out again around the where the stop is on the short side there, and then the market trading up and making up the loss there. And then, of course, later on in the evening session, we've got the market putting in another sell signal, and again, 20 points available there. So an interesting day, certainly a profitable day, but a couple of losers in there as well initially, and then a bit later on in the session. Very difficult to try and hold this one, because obviously the market came back towards the break even, i.e. entry place there, unless of course you adopt a principle of taking half the bet off and trying to hold the trade there. But there was no saying whether the market was going to move higher or lower after it found support here at the big round number of 17,050. So a difficult one to judge there. Certainly at the time it was happening, I kept looking at it and it was undecided, but there was certainly an indication here as the market came back and closed on the lows in these two bars, and then eventually breaking the lows there. So it was a sort of a slow grind down as opposed to a rapid sell-off, until we got to here was the market traded through the psychological 17,000 area there. Then you see the buying pressure coming in, the market bouncing a little until we go down to the 16,950 there, where the market's tested. We see the buying coming in, and that was the last time the market made this low, and has been the case, and still is the case on the overnight session there as well. So in the daily charts, you can see the market there selling for yesterday. And as I said in yesterday's market view, wouldn't be surprised to see the market reverse, which is precisely what it did do, because we're looking at Friday and we can see we've got no green bar there to show that there was any buying. It was just the market being driven higher after, no doubt, moving lower in the background there for several trading days. In the news, nothing to shout about. 3 p.m. you've got from the US JOLTS job openings. This is only medium impact, and at 6:20 just watch out for the FOMC, Dudley speaking, and Koch Lakota as well. So just wait and to see what they have to say. They won't speak for long, but it's medium impact, but you never know. If the market's quiet and it needs to be moved by the professionals, then they will use whatever they say as well. So just be aware of those times there and the announcements. And in the Dow implied, this increasing to 12.33 and showing a slight increase there after dropping down to 11.33 during Friday's session. Right, well, that's it from me this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, have a good day. Thank you for your support, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.